Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into Tastyfx app review in order to check if the app is worth downloading. So here's a breakdown. The Tastyfx app focused on forex and crypto price data, analytics, and trading insights. It gives you real-time quotes, customizable alert, chat, and educational content, which can be useful if you are actively watching currency or crypto market and you want a mix of news and analysis in one place. However, many users say the app data can lag sometimes. The interface feels cluttered and the certain advanced features require you to dive into the broader Tasty Trade platform or subscribe for a premium service. So in my opinion, I actually think the Tastyfx is worth downloading if you are a frequent forex crypto watcher who likes integrated analysis and alert, but casual price check or beginners may find it more than they need or less reliable than the dedicated market data app. And that's it. I'll find the video up for you. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review. You're welcome.